This is VIVO Y21S, and today I will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So firstly, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine, so let me do exactly that. Then launch the app and simply make sure that the timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app remains active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally close it or turn this application off, your screen will not automatically go to sleep at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.